In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access accessibility features. Following that, select one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. Then follow all of the instructions. I'm using Tricky's navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the bottom of the screen. So when I do that and tap on Got It, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you want to go back, just click on this blank area. You can also use one-handed mode on the other side by swiping in opposite direction. Then go back the same way. Lastly, to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same now blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!